So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete an image here on Easel. So once you have the Easel application opened up on your device, simply go to the right hand side, press on images, and add an image into your design. So for demonstration purposes, how about we use this image right here of what appears to be some sort of circle sitting on like dirt or sand, whatever it may be. I guess tell me down in the comments. But if you want to delete this photo, the simplest way to do that is to just press on the photo, go to your keyboard, and then press delete. It's that easy. But for whatever reason, if your delete button's not working, or whatever, you want to delete it through, easel and not use your keyboard, pretty straightforward as well. Press on the image, go to the top right corner to this garbage can icon right here to where it says delete. Press on that, and the image is once again deleted. So very straightforward, super simple, but that is how to delete an image here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.